Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use the columns function in Excel. Let us give is equal to columns. We need to give it as columns. There is one more function column. We should select the columns and give open brace, and we need to select the cell value and end brace. So it will give the value as 1. Similarly, if you wanted to find the range of columns count, then we have to use is equal to columns, select the range, and then give the end parenthesis, give enter. So it says like 13 from G8 to S18 we have 13, from G8 to S18 we have 13 columns. This is how we will be identifying the columns in the Excel by using the columns function. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials and tips like this.